Today, I'm going to show you how to make this hot and sweet treat. This should make for a wonderful holiday beverage to serve while watching your favorite Christmas movie. To make your own, you need 2 cups of milk, a 4-ounce bar of white chocolate, green food coloring, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, whipped cream, green sprinkles, and red heart quins. Start by chopping up your chocolate. Add the milk and the chopped white chocolate to a medium saucepan. Place on low heat until the chocolate is melted and the milk is heated through. Remove from the heat and add the green food coloring. Pour into your serving glass and add the vanilla. Top with whipped cream, green sprinkles, and a red heart. This hot chocolate will keep you warm during this holiday season. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.